My people, make una join me celebrate oh. Relax, don't be my birthday, boy. They do me like son of my birthday, understand? Una know that thing where they always they talk say anything where comes around go. I mean anything where you throw up, it go surely come down. My people, matter don't come. Nah. This one they very hot. They don't sack Buratai oh. Hey, everywhere na jollification, they jolly they go. As soon as go know, now this man been there in charge of army staff. You understand? The way he can put Atairu, say okay, me Atairu they in charge of the Boko Haram fights, me in there for war front. You understand? And that one happened for 2017. Oh, where they come, they do. Now so Buratai come tell Atairu say he give him 40 days. Say if in 40 days he no bring the leader of Boko Haram, whether na dead or alive or whether na in bones, anyhow, but he must bring the leader of Boko Haram. Where this guy can't fail. Ungwano, na so they sack him. Na so Buratai can't sack Atairu, say incompetence, say he no fit do work, he no reach to do work. My people no be small matter. As I dey talk to now. Buhari don't come turn table round. Now Buhari don't come remove Buratai. Just like that. My people, this life no balance. No balance. If you not see jollification, people just they jolly. In fact, now if you no, I beg una where they watch me now, go beg anybody for money, go see how they go they send you money because now everybody they happy mood. I beg for now when you know what they happen now for Nigeria. The reason why people they jolly they go because join me, make we watch our fellow Nigerians. No look them like that oh. For these people to happy like this, for them to celebrate, we not supposed to know say Buratai na. In fact, I'm not even one call and devil make una not say I'm too wicked. Bad man. This man go they put soldiers' life at risk. He don't even care. Person way send people go war, say Boko Haram this, Boko Haram that, in concern them. The agreement, they say, okay, when they reach there, you understand, because they go, they grounded, they fight Boko Haram people, say they go send a helicopter. So that in case of anything, you know how these war things, they happen. So that in case of anything, they go get plan B, where they go fit take escape. Now people, these soldiers go, they go war. Hey, fight. My people now know, people die, some people run. Helicopter, where? They don't even see rope when they go use climb, not talk of helicopter. Now, so this man maltreats. In fact, he over-treat them bad. Now, why you see they dance like this, oh? Before uncle? Nobody said that they give them any money. But the fact say now, they don't say their life. At least, we never know, but at least for now, the one way they don't suffer before, they don't see, say, they don't escape that one. Now, why you not see them like this? Chai! Obviously, this one is embarrassment in highest level. You don't know what it mean. You remove person. They can't remove you, put person where you no. In fact, this one, my brother, they don't downgrade you finish. Your class, they don't bring them down. And matter now where they reach me, they say, because some people don't tell me, say, Madam Aproko, say this thing no good. You know, go say, na Leo Irabo, suppose they that position now. Now, what did they tell me? Now, come they wonder, say, why? My people, now so I come here say, Buhari come they talk say no want anybody we know the northern part of Nigeria. If you know say you know be northern, you know if you occupy that position. I no can understand. No, me, I no understand this part. So now they don't carry politics, enter military, this thing. Buhari, be like say this man no want change. So instead of make you dey focus, make you think of the safety of your citizens, you understand, the security and all those things, you still dey find nodna. So what if person wey fit do this work no be nodna? Let me say Nigerians go die all in the name of nodna. Abeg, nothing go still change the fact say we dey celebration mood. Una understand? We know say definitely we no know wetin we dey expect. Maybe this one wey they put now, because Buhari as they sack am because of incompetence, Buhari come bring am back. What if the reason why they sack this one are true? Hey, my people, I no wan believe say Nigeria dey in serious trouble. I no want talk some things. You understand? I no just want talk some things with my mouth. Chineke, Buhari. No, see, at least you don't do something now. I'm not talking 100%. I just you understand? No, my people, may we just give a small accolade. Just small. At least you don't start something. But this thing we're supposed to do long time, and now you can't do it. No worry. You're being the look for nodna. Relax. Now like this, we go jubilate when they remove it for 2023. Oh. This one when we they do same. Now part 1. When they remove you, and they should say even heaven go come down, they dance with us like this, because that day, people will even dash their house, cars, say they don't want. It could be serious victory. My people, I just they hope say this thing will happen now go teach people lesson. I hope say this thing go teach people lesson. See, no matter where you find yourself, do good. Why? They feel replace you anytime. No be here with it. They feel just put anybody here, put cow, put human being, anything feel happen. So make sure say anywhere where you find yourself, you do good. See what happen to this one now. Don't sit down now for house with your family. My brother, don't worry. They drink the garri, they go. Our prayers are with you. You understand? I beg my people, if you know say una they jubilate the way I they jubilate, I want to know. I drop her down for that comment section. If you know say you did my team, now today I want to. So drop her for the comment section. And not forget, very very important too. If you now no share this video, na me go sakuna. Na joke at the joke, you understand? I beg help me share this video. It's very very important. And if you never subscribe, biko ejo subscribe. It's very very important too. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.